told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Toy Hunter. For today's episode, we're gonna be featuring this sexy, the alluring, the beautiful, gorgeous Vampirella from Dynamite Toys. Okay, so this is my first time to have an action figure from this manufacturer, the Dynamite, and this is kind of expensive, guys. This is some cost around $80 for me. Well, pretty expensive though for a figure like this, for a sexy figure like this. Okay, in case you're wondering how the packaging looks, okay, grab it, and we've got a nice artwork here. Sorry about that. Okay, gonna be focusing. So this reminds me of the painting from the 60s or 50s movies, and we got the artwork here on the back. Wow, very sexy Vampirella indeed. There you go. And this one from the side. Okay, another artwork here. Okay, got them some boobies out, yeah, and some her nips are somehow what you call this? Somehow it shows, or what you call this? Not illuminates, but somehow you can almost see her nipples. Okay, and now let's open this sexy, gorgeous action figure. Let's see if it's worth our money. Okay guys, so these are the contents of this figure. We got four alternate hands, two for the left, two for the right, and we got some mini swords here. Okay, we've got a bat here and an alternate face for Vampirella. Only a screaming or shouting face for Vampirella. And below is her cape. Didn't know that she got a cape. Okay. Now let's try to remove this gorgeous, sexy looking figure from her clamshell. Okay guys, we've taken out Vampirella out of her box, so let's take a closer look at this. Okay, a close up, and she really is pretty beautiful. Okay, got a nice face here, and her boobs and her bikini. Well, let's take a look at this bikini. Yeah, got a logo here, some sort of big Phoenix logo here, and her boots. Okay, we got a high heels boots here. Okay, and she's wearing a tongue or tea-back together, so she's got some bracelets. Okay, gold armband here, and plus she got a nice golden earring. Now let's look at these figures. Okay, I think it's just kind of pricey. Okay, now this kind of toys reminds me of some of those Japanese toys. Okay, now let's see if we can put on the alternate hands and the alternate face. So this is how you remove her hands. Okay, just pull it and just be gentle. on it. Okay, there you go. And let's try to put on the alternate hand. And let's put on this okay, this very nice hand. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, there you go. Wow, this looks great. This alternate hands looks great. Okay, guys, in case you didn't know, there was already a Vampirella film which was shown in the 90s, okay, starring the very beautiful Kalisa Soto, but her costume is not like this. You Google it and search the trailer on the YouTube, you can see how the difference between the clothing of the stars. Although I would love to see Kalisa Soto in this costume. Okay, let's try to put on the alternate head. So in replacing the alternate head, we just remove this. Okay, the hair. Oh, there you go. There goes her earrings. And let's just be careful on it. Okay, there you go. And let's see how she looks with the hair on. Okay, there you go. Now I think she's even prettier or more beautiful when you use this alternate hand. Okay, it just helps how pretty cool vampire she is. Okay, with her sharp teeth. Okay, exposing her sharp teeth. Now this is cool. Okay, meow, baby, meow. Okay. Oh, okay. It's time to go for the. Let's check the articulation in this one. Okay. So this is how she spread her arms and her legs. She can do a 180. Okay, almost perfect. 180. Okay. This figure, I think, is not. Okay, definitely not for kids. This figure is because of that teeny tiny clothing that Vampirella wears. Okay, let's try to bend her knees. Oh, and we can move a little, although it's kind of left there. Although it's not move. Okay, but it's alright. And let's try to do some figure comparison for this one. Okay, we've got Magneto here. Marvel Legends Magneto. Okay, I think she scales pretty well with the Marvel Legends. There you go. Almost have the same height. I guess Magneto can let go of Vampirella because of her alluring beauty. Okay, let's try to compare her with other figures. Okay. One of my favorite, the Grim Knight. Okay. I think she also scales pretty well with the McFarlane toys, considering that boys are on average are taller compared to girls. Okay, so I think she scales pretty well with the Green Man. I think okay, I think Batman's got a kiss of the Green Man's got a kiss of Vampirella here. Okay, and she says. And then the Green Knight flies. Oh, don't worry, I'm a bat. Okay, that's a corny joke, I think. So there you go. So time to rate this Vampirella action figure. Okay, wait, let me go and get my Superman. Okay, yeah, she looks great alongside with Superman. Kind of reminds me of Lois Lane. Okay, with her with her brunette hair. Okay, kind of looks good. So I think this Vampirella scales pretty well with the Marvel Legends and McFarlane toys. Okay, so time to rate this action figure. Oh, let's just see if she can stand on her own. Okay, now I'm having a hard time. Okay, can't stand. Oh, there you go. Still. Okay, there she goes. She can stand on her own now. Okay, the cape should be put on the cape. Let's see how Vampirella looks, but I don't prefer her with the cape, so I'm not just gonna leave her like that. Okay, so for the sorry about it, guys. So for the rating, my grade on this figure, I think it's a for its price. Okay, well, it's kind of pricey for this figure, so probably they should have just at least put it on around 40 or 50, although 50 is, I think, is high. But this figure is an almost $80 figure. Okay, $80 figure for this one. So plus the articulation and the let's see, so you can see the articulation. Okay, nice. We got a jiggly boobs there. So I think I'm gonna give it a 9. It's a 9 for me for this Vampirella figure. Okay, what about you guys? You already have this sexy Vampirella figure. What do you think of this figure, guys? So it's a 9 for me. So I guess my first Dynamite toys, so it didn't disappoint me. Wasn't disappointed. I like this figure. I enjoyed having this figure. Okay, plus the face is very pretty. Okay, for me. Okay. They've captured Vampirella's pretty face, beautiful face, alluring face, and kind of this sexy body. They captured the very sexy body. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching our show, my review on Vampirella, Dynamite's Vampirella. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Toy Hunter, so that we can continue more with the reviews, unboxing of a lot of toys. And so as my saying goes, let the toy hunt begins and more toys to open. Ta-da! Okay, guys, bye bye. Till next time.